Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Slack QR code. In this walkthrough, you'll learn the quickest way to bring Slack to your phone by showing the QR code from the desktop or web app and scanning it on your mobile device. Follow along on your computer and keep your phone handy for the final scan. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. Make sure you're viewing the main Slack window with the sidebar visible on the left. Everything we need is available from the standard interface, so there's nothing to download or install on your computer for this. Next, look toward the top of the left sidebar for the workspace name. It usually appears next to the workspace icon, and there's a small arrow indicating a menu. This is the workspace menu, and it's where Slack keeps quick links to settings, preferences, and mobile setup. Click the workspace name to open that drop-down menu. A panel will appear with several options related to your current workspace. You don't need to change any settings here. We'll just use it to reveal Slack's mobile option. In the menu, click Get the Mobile App. Selecting this opens a screen that displays a unique QR code for your workspace. Treat this code like you would a sign-in link. It's designed to help you connect your phone securely and quickly. If the window opens in a small panel, you can leave it as is. There's no need to expand it. Now grab your phone to scan the code. Most modern phones can scan QR codes directly with the camera. Simply open the camera app, point it at the code on your computer screen, and wait for the prompt to appear. If your camera doesn't recognize the code right away, open the Slack app on your phone and look for the option to sign in with a QR code on the login screen. Then point the in-app scanner at the code on your computer. Hold your phone steady, keep the code centered in the frame, and make sure your screen brightness on the computer is high enough for a clean read. A few helpful tips as you scan. Ensure you're on the workspace where you want to sign in, since the QR code you see is tied to the workspace you selected. If the code times out, or you close the window, simply reopen the workspace menu and choose Get the Mobile App again to generate a fresh code. For security, avoid sharing screenshots of this code. That's it. You've opened Slack, revealed the mobile QR code from the workspace menu, and scanned it with your phone to connect in seconds. Enjoy using Slack on the go.